up guys, Esteban Berenson here. Last night my buddy hit me up to go to San Diego. Literally gave me about an 8 or 9 hour heads up. Now he's telling me to come in earlier than that. No heads up, I have to be ready and I have to pack. So yeah, I'll see you in San Diego guys. Ladies and gentlemen, is how you sneak in 30 beers into a hotel room.
Emergency backpack.
Yeah.
It's an earthquake prepared kit.
I don't want to carry my shirt, so I put them right there. I'm on my way to get ice, but I found these really cool couches. I kind of want to have a seat. We're actually gonna take the stairs this time because we're number 4. Because is he coming?
He's coming.
No,
we're about to ditch him.
I'm gonna chill in the room.
Really? You're not coming to the pool party? I might.
Hey, guess what? You have a window view, so you can just look out. If it's cool, come down.
Is that all the way?
I'm holding a coffee, dude. And I haven't done this since I was a kid. When I was a kid, I used to do it all the time. I am not a kid anymore. When I was a kid, I would jump from here to there in one jump. Nah, I don't have that in me anymore. I'm like, I can get hurt. Who's gonna pay my bills?
You still have to walk down the hallway.
You know what's funny about that? Is that I thought we actually were gonna cut through.
I know, right?
We thought we were gonna cut through some.
Yeah, you're right.
We thought it was a short.
And you just go like straight outside.
Yeah, but no.
I want my goddamn tacos. Tacos? Excuse me. Oh shit, dude, look. Whoa, dude. It has a kitchen over there. What? What?
Yeah.
Alright guys, well that will be the video of the week. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you to Adam for letting me stay over. Thank you Steven for the invite. San Diego was really cool and fun. Now I'm back home and I gotta work on this video, so if you're watching this video, that means that it's already been uploaded. So thank you very much guys, subscribers, everyone out there, I love you guys all. Thank you very much. And this is one of the first times watching one of my videos, click that subscribe button. If you like what you saw, smash the like button. If you have any questions or comments, write them in the comment section. Thank you very much guys, I will be back next week, and until next time now, peace.
I feel paralyzed.